Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do an easy curly bun hairstyle in around 2 minutes. I've started by curling the hair, but this doesn't have to be perfect. And then we're simply going to divide it in half straight across. Pop the top half into a ponytail and then just clip it on top of the head out of your way. Then gather the remaining hair and put it in another ponytail directly underneath the first one. So you should have 2 ponytails on top of each other. Now I'm going to add some dry texture spray to the curls and then some wax spray to the top of the head. I'll pop all the products I use in the description below. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the hair on top of the head for some more texture and volume. Taking hold of that top ponytail, twist it all in one direction, keeping it loose, and then pinch and pull for some more fullness. And we're going to take this over to the right hand side and over the top of that little elastic band. Hold it to the head and secure with as many bobby pins as needed, but make sure you leave the ends hanging out on the left hand side. Then take the bottom ponytail and we're going to do a simple 3-strand braid. Again, keep it nice and loose and don't tie it off with an elastic band. Use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the edge of each stitch of those braids. Again, this is just for some more volume and texture. And with this, we're going to bring it up to the left hand side and then bring the ends over to the right hand side. Use as many bobby pins as you need to secure this to the head, again leaving the ends hanging out on the right hand side. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.